Can economic growth and climate neutrality coexist? Or are they scales on a balance, each gain in one leading to a loss in the other? In the heart of Europe, Germany is proving that these two aren't necessarily at odds. The nation's commitment to climate neutrality is ambitious, yet it doesn't shy away from the economic implications. Germany has embraced the challenge, championing renewable energy, pushing for electric mobility, and investing in green technology. However, the road to this eco-friendly utopia isn't without bumps. There's a risk of economic stagnation, a result of the high costs associated with green transitions. Yet, Germany persists, believing that the long-term gains outweigh the short-term setbacks. Contrast this with the approach in Kulim, Malaysia. Here, innovation is the name of the game. Kulim is home to the world's largest factory for SiC semiconductors, a key component in electric vehicles and renewable energy systems. This innovation has allowed Malaysia to move towards climate neutrality while also fostering economic growth. It's a testament to the potential of technological advancements, proving that climate goals and economic aspirations can walk hand in hand. Bernd Ferber, CEO of Tempulse Global, sums it up perfectly. Balancing ecological sustainability with economic progress isn't an option, it's a necessity. It's about future-proofing our economies, ensuring they can thrive in a world that's increasingly conscious of its ecological footprint. So what does this mean for you? It's a call to action, to invest in green technologies, to support sustainable initiatives, to be part of the solution. Because at the end of the day, climate neutrality and economic growth aren't foes in a battle. They are partners in a dance that shapes the future of our planet. In conclusion, whether it's Germany's ambitious journey or Malaysia's innovative approach, the message is clear. A balance between ecological sustainability and economic progress isn't just possible, it's imperative. And it's up to us to make it a reality.